sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be going for Supreme Week 10, which is the box logo, cutoff, Fogo, Fox logo, whatever y'all want to call it, Fubogo. We are going to be trying to go for this sweater today, and honestly I do hope that I end up cooking up. There's two things on my radar for today, actually three: the motion logo skate deck, the ashtray, and then the crew neck. All these three pieces are insanely fire in my opinion. They haven't done the motion logo skate deck in a minute. The ashtray is just clean. I love the way that it looks, and the cutoff logo, let's not even talk about it. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So it's 10:58. I am gonna start running Addict right now. Boom, it's searching. I'm gonna let that run right here. We got like 50 seconds before the actual drop. I'm feeling kind of confident, but you know how this shit go with Supreme, people, so I'm not even tripping already. I'm gonna open an accessories tab. I got the sweatshirts tab open right now. I don't even know what color I'm gonna go for. I'm honestly gonna wing it when it drops, and that's just how it's gonna be, bro. I'm not even tripping too much, honestly. I just really hope that I can cop, because that would be fire. 3 seconds to drop. Let's get it. Come on. Load quick, bro. Let's get it for black. That's on my card. Let's get it. Check out. Yo, I didn't even screen record. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't even fucking screen record. That's nuts. So I'm already in checkout, but I'm screen recording now. Fuck it, right? Yo, I'm processing. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I got captchas on the bot right here, but the thing is, I'm late on the captchas because I'm trying to do this, so I doubt I'm gonna go through right here. I took too long, honestly. Fire hydrants. Boom. No, I'm not a robot. Come on. I copped it. Let's go manual. 100% fucking manual. Don't come at me with the bullshit. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it. Go straight for the ashtray. Oh, ashtrays are sold out. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Come on, come on. Today is the day, people. I ain't playing with you no more. Come on, come on. Process. Let me get everything I need. I got the crew neck in black XL. They ain't playing with me no more. I'm tired of this shit. I got the skate deck and the ashtray as well. So we managed to cook up pretty much on everything that we needed today, which is awesome in my opinion. I'm glad that I got through. We cooked. What else is there to say? Honestly, I'm sorry for starting the screen recording late. I didn't even realize that I started it late. I thought I was all good to go, but y'all saw me in the cart. Y'all saw me get the checkout. I cooked up on the clear debossed ashtray, the black motion logo, and I also ended up cooking up on the crew neck in the XL fire piece. I honestly am glad that I got to get it, but I think I am gonna kind of slow it down with Supreme a little bit. I'm not trying to spend too much money like I have been, because honestly, bro, I'm trying to save for a new whip, and this is kind of like slowing me down, but it's gonna be okay. I'm so glad that I actually cooked up today. If you guys did end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.